Hi guys, first of all a very happy Christmas and a prosperous new year ahead for all of you. Today I'm going to prepare a new recipe. Like, I'm experimenting with this recipe and I don't know how it is gonna turn out. My kids are off from school and they are demanding me to prepare some sort of cake, but I'm not into baking, so I don't know to prepare cake. So that is why I'm just mixing and matching 2 or 3 recipes and coming up with a very new recipe. I don't know how it is gonna turn out, so fingers crossed for that. I hope it turns out good and my girls will like it. I'll quickly show you the ingredients and let's just start preparing it. So yeah, these are the ingredients that I'm trying to use, and to make it a little more healthy, I'm gonna use a bunch of nuts and seeds. So this is chia seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seed. This is mixed berries and fruits, dried berries and fruits, then chopped up dates, a whole bunch of peanuts. If your kids or you are allergic to peanuts, then you can substitute it with almonds, walnuts or almonds, anything of your choice. Then I'm also gonna use milk powder. This is just to garnish it. This is choco vermicelli, dark chocolate. Then I have some fresh strawberries. This is sugar-free biscuits. And then we have cocoa powder. And then we have milk maid. So I'm gonna do something. Let's just hope for the best. Stay tuned to see my new recipe. So first let us start by roasting the peanuts. You can even do it in the oven, but I prefer sprouted. So it's just left to you. Roast it on medium to low flame until it starts to crackle and the nice aroma comes off. So meanwhile, while that is happening, I'm also going to crush these sugar-free biscuits. You can use any biscuits of your choice. It just has to be some sort of biscuits to get that crunchiness. That is my idea behind this recipe, because I like my chocolates to be a little crunchy rather than plain chocolate. So yeah, let's just do this. I have taken around 10 to 15 biscuits over here. As it is the first time, I want to do it in small quantity and see how it turns out and if my kids like it or not. So that's why I've just taken a little bit, like 10 to 15 biscuits, and now I'm gonna crush it. So my biscuits are all crushed now. Into this, let us just add in the rest of the seeds. Sunflower seeds, so a little bit of chia, pumpkin seeds, this is dried fruits and berries, and then we have chopped dates. So we're gonna add everything and give this a good mix and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my peanuts to be done, so then I can crush this and add into this bowl. So yeah, let's finish off this. Can you hear the popping sound? So it's like almost getting done. So once this is done, I'm also going to crush it. Once I've crushed, I just give it a little pulse. And now I'm adding into the same bowl. And now let's prepare the chocolate sauce kind of thing or something. I don't know what to name it. And then we're gonna pour into this and we're gonna put it in a plate and then keep it in the fridge for around 2 hours until it's set. Okay, so into the pan I'm gonna add around 100 grams of condensed milk. So just 100 grams of it. And I'm gonna add half cup of milk powder. Do you like the taste of milk powder? And this is again half cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. Like, when I was small, I used to eat milk powder just like that out from the packet. It was so good, and even I did it today as well. So we're gonna mix everything until it gets combined and gets into runny sort of a consistency, so that we can pour it over our crushed mixture. Just keep on mixing. I'm also adding around 1/4 cup of milk, whole milk, and give everything a good mix. So once it starts to thicken and comes to a boil, we are gonna switch off the flame. See, it's boiling, so we're gonna switch off the flame, and we're gonna transfer all this crushed mixture into this and give everything a good mix. And we have mixed everything well. Now we are going to transfer it into a greased plate. I have greased this plate with a little bit of butter, unsalted butter. So we're going to transfer everything into this plate. We're going to just flatten it like so. Don't judge me, guys, I'm not a pro in this, but I just want to make my kids feel a little special. So yeah, just gonna flatten everything well. I'm also going to top it up with some grated dry coconut to get that coconutty flavor. Chocolate and coconut goes really well. I love that combination, so that's why I'm just doing this. And now we're gonna keep it in the fridge for at least 1 hour or maybe half an hour in the freezer. So this was in the fridge for half an hour, and now I'm trying to cut it into pieces. Some small triangular shapes or something of that sort. I hope that it has turned out well and my girls will like it. So yeah, I could lift it. I'm gonna place it carefully, and you can see it has set very well. And I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of fresh strawberry, and I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate sevai. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It has turned out crunchy exactly the way I want it to be, and in every bite you get some sort of seeds and nuts that which we have included in it. It is crunchy, guys, and because of this coconut which I have added on top, that also gives that flavor to chocolate. Let us call it as healthy biscuit chocolate cake. A very easy recipe. Do try it out if you like sweets or if you like chocolates in general, and if you want to prepare something healthy for your kids, try this out, because I have tried to include as much of nuts and seeds as possible, and I have tried to keep the level of sugar minimal. I've just used condensed milk and no other sweetener, like no sugar, honey, or nothing of that sort. I've just used 100 grams of condensed milk, and then I have added dates and dried berries to give that sweetness. So yeah, do try it out. Merry Christmas. And for my kids, I gave it along with some freshly chopped strawberries, because even strawberry and chocolate combination goes well. So I wanna taste it with the strawberry. This is also good, but honestly, I like it plain because that is more crunchier. When you add strawberry, it gets a little bit soggy, right? Like when you get a bite of strawberry. But then plain, it is crunchy. So I succeeded in my experimental cooking. If you try out this recipe, don't forget to share your pics with me, and do follow me on my Instagram. It is the Momosphere itself over there as well. So follow me on Instagram and let me know how you like this recipe. Bye.